Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Kakkar and today we are going to learn about improving the fluency. Well, today why I picked this topic? Because I'm sure that now as we all are already practicing regarding idioms, regarding new words, alternative words, how to be confident and so many things I have already given, and I will be coming up with more such videos in future. But today I thought that we should also think about improving the fluency, improving the pronunciation. So for that I thought that I should give few tips in which you will be learning that how you can improve your fluency and how you can grab more words and you can use or you can have correct pronunciation. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. So first thing what you should always do is listening to the audible. Well, today's my focus first of all is only about audibles, only about the words which you can listen. Well, if you just search any of the word in any of the search engine, you'll be finding a speaker button. You can click on that button and you'll be getting the correct pronunciation. So this is one of the things you can do. So if you are finding any such word which is really hard to pronounce, then you can just type that word and click on that speaker button, which will surely help you to get the correct pronunciation of that word. Next thing and most important second thing, it is going to be a longer point because I want to elaborate this point and I want to explain you that you should follow this point. Well, first of all, let me tell you that I am a book reader and I will always prefer a book to read, and I have already mentioned this in my previous videos. But for you guys, it is very important that you start reading. Now, as I told that sometimes it happens that we do not feel like reading because maybe we are not having the correct pronunciation, maybe because we are not focused, or maybe we are not liking this language. So for that, what we should do, you can hear the books. Most of the books are available online, which is free, and you can simply download it. Like, it will be divided into chapters, so it becomes very easy for you. Like, it will take around 10 to 11 hours in one stretch. If you want to read a book, hardly in 10 to 11 hours you'll be sorted with a book. But if you cannot take out so much of time, the only thing you can do is download the chapters and simply listen it. They are going in very slow pace, so it becomes very easy for you to remember the things, to understand the things. And also if you think that you came up with any such word, then you can write it in your book as well. The pace of their speaking is really slow, so it becomes so easy for you to remember and to understand the words. So if you are not able to give much of the time to the books, then I would strongly tell you to download the audibles and start listening to the books, because I think we need to take some initiative to improve ourselves, right? So the only thing you can do is start performing. Third thing what you can do is, whenever you are getting a free time, speak aloud. Whichever paragraph you are going through, speak aloud, so your tongue will get used to that particular language. I'm sure that this is the thing you will be finding, like I might get tired, I might feel boring, you might feel that, but after maybe 1 or 2 days you yourself will like it, because you yourself will like it because you will be used to with this language. Like whatever language, whatever vernacular language you are having, if you can read very properly that particular language, then why not English? So the only thing you have to do is start reading aloud. You can start with the newspaper, you can start with a book, you can start with any magazine you're liking it, you can start reading it aloud. The moment you will start doing, your tongue, your ears, your eyes will be used to this language, right? And this is what we want. We want to create an environment of English. So this is what you have to do. These are the 3 points you have to do, and tell me in the comment section that whether it really made any difference to you or not. First thing what you have to do is, you have to write the word. You have to write the words if you are finding it tough to pronounce, and play the button between the Google or any of, you can just use Google if you want to, and there is a small audio button, you will be finding it and you can simply play. Second thing you can do is start using audibles. It is really going to help you. It is going to help you a lot, because you will be able to start listening and you will be grabbing the words. And the third thing what you have to do is start speaking aloud. Tell me in the comment section that whether it really made any difference to you. And now I'll be coming up on Saturday, in which I'll be reading your comments. So don't forget to write the comments. I come up every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. And also, as our community tab is open, so I will be uploading so many things in community section as well. So don't forget to see community tab also. And sometimes I do come up with a bonus of the small videos. So don't forget to watch all my videos. Don't forget to tell that whether you are liking my videos or not. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.